So I was in the gym and I was benching 315. And this is Tyrone Foster. This is your tip of the day right now. I was benching 315 and I wanted to give up so bad. You want to know why I wanted to give up? Because it was hard. It hurt. I was uncomfortable. I couldn't handle it anymore. But then again, it hit me. Life is supposed to be uncomfortable. Life is supposed to be to the point where it pushes you beyond measure. But you want to quit in the Forex market because you're not consistent after a year, but yet you weren't consistent with your studies. Yet you weren't there to build yourself better than you were yesterday because you just wanted the easy route. But then again, you want to, of course, put all your focus in being the best for somebody else's vision, but not yours. Guys, we got to do better. I pushed that 315. Yeah, I needed a little bit of help, and I'm going to get it better tomorrow and the next day, but I'm not going to quit because I know for a fact somebody else did it. Somebody else out there right now is consistent and proficient and profitable in the market. You're built just like they are. You are a person. So I want you to understand that right now. All right? Yes, it was hard. It hurt so bad, but I am still living. You are still living. This is Tyrone Foster, and this is your tip of the day.